Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make this perfect pepper mix that you can use for your quarter bag of rice. I'll be showing you the measurements and every step that you need. You see how beautiful it looks. You can use it for anything. You can also refrigerate it, use it for your home jollof, use it for your spaghetti, to make your stew, or even your porridge. So just watch this video and follow me the process. Welcome to my channel. This is my porridge cakes. Let's get started. So I'm showing you how all the ingredients I'll be using. This is the pepper, the shobo or the bawa, and tatashe and tomatoes. I'm going to be putting the measurement in the description box. You can just go there and check it out. So I'm using 1 pint of tomatoes, 1 pint of atarodo, 1 pint of shobo, and 1 pint of tatashe. You can decide to use half pint, but I actually used half pint of tatashe in this video. So you just allow it to boil. You notice I didn't put any water. You just cover it and keep it to boil. This is not the only method you can use. You can also use the roasting method. But whenever I have so much quantity to do, I just choose to do the boiling method. It saves me a lot of time. So after boiling for a while, you just add a bit of onion. Don't put too much or else your pepper mix will turn dark. Once your pepper mix is it generates lots of water like this, and you see the water is almost getting dried, you know that it is ready for you to blend. And so we're just going to start blending. I'm going to be blending this with some garlic and ginger. Sorry I didn't show in the video. It's just a little bit of garlic and ginger that I added to the blender while I was blending this. And so you can see how it looks. It's looking so beautiful. If there was so much onion inside, it would have been dark. And also if you do your roasting method, it's definitely not going to be this color. It's going to be dark as well. So you can use this for anything that you want that requires a tomato base. If you don't want to cook half bag of rice, you can use this to prep your tomatoes and keep it fresh in the fridge so that you can just bring it out whenever you need to cook something. So this is it. You see how beautiful it looks. All the measurements I did, from the 1 pint of tomatoes, 1 pint of tatashe and bawa and all that, it gave me just 1 pint of pepper mix, which will be enough for you to make quarter bag of rice. Also make sure you are turning this hot mix into a stainless bowl, not a plastic. So when it's cool, you can transfer to a plastic and then refrigerate. So this is it. You see how beautiful it looks. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.